Hello everyone, today we will solve the arithmetic operators problem of Hackerrank. So let's get started. First we will open it. Wait for it. So our first task is to read the problems, understand what they want to convey. So we have to given two number A and B. Our first task is to print sum of two number in a second line we have to print difference between two number. Third line we have to print product of two numbers are A and B. First select the Python. First line we use print function, write a plus b because we have to print sum of two numbers. Second line print a minus b, print difference between two. Third line print a into b because we have. Now we run this code. So it passes the test cases. Now we submit it code. See, all the test cases are passed. Program is ready. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and share to your friends. Thank you.